Are you tired of your computer taking forever to boot up? Disabling unnecessary startup programs can speed things up, and let me show you how to turn off these programs that launch automatically when you start your PC. So let's open Task Manager. You can do that by right clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager, or you can press Ctrl Shift plus Escape at the same time so it will open it. If this is your first time using Task Manager, you might see only a simple window with a list of open apps. As you can see, mine are browsers and an editing app. To see the startup programs, click on the More Details at the bottom. Now click on the Startup tab at the top. This is where all the programs that launch when computer starts are listed. So you will see a list of programs. For each one you will see it's enabled and disabled right next to its app. So look through the list and find the programs you don't need running at the startup. And to disable a program, just right click on it and select disable. This won't delete the program, it will just stop it from starting automatically when you boot up your PC. And make sure to only disable the programs you are sure you don't need, like third-party apps or any update that can be opened later manually. And that's it. Your PC should start up faster now, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up. And if this helped, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a little boost in speed. Let me know in comments if you have any other tips or for speeding up Windows.